I'm Tasman, and today I'm going to show you how to make a soothing aloe vera gel using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program. Select the gel build and then click Create. Firstly, I'm going to select a water alternative. Now I'm going to add some aloe vera as this is soothing and quite hydrating to the skin. Next is my actives, and I'm going to select the allantoin. This is clinically proven to soothe skin. For my added extras, I'm going to select some chamomile extract as this is also very soothing to irritated skin. Next is my humectant, and I'm going to select the propane diol. Next is my gum or polymer, and I'm going to select the Carbama 980. For my solubilizer, I'm going to select the polysorbate 20. Next is my lipids, and I'm just going to add a little bit of marula oil. For my essential oil, I'm going to select the Roman chamomile. Next is my antioxidant, and I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And last but not least is my preservative, and I'm going to pick the GeoGuard ECT. And then select Generate Method. And there you have a full formula and method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a soothing aloe vera gel using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own soothing aloe vera gel. Happy formulating!